This is the most annoying toy in the world. But he loves it. It's a sort of a metal boy that he found on the beach, and he brought it all the way back along the beach. He wouldn't let it go, so I said okay, and we brought it home. And we called it Swishy. After Dory out of Nemo, this is my Swishy, and I shall call him Swishy. And as you can hear and see, he is far from Swishy. Eh? Yes. Squishy, I mean, not Swishy. You've not had enough of annoying toy yet. Hmm? Oh, Fluke, give it a rest. Where's your bone? Hey, where's your bone? Go and find your bone. Look, there's Bone. That's nice and quiet. Can you play with Bone? Go on, where's your Bone? You want to play with Squishy. I'll have hours of this to go.